Welcome back to my page. It's your boy King Leo, and right now I'm gonna do something that I love doing that people who knows me know. I love to cook, and I like to try new recipes. And this thing I'm gonna make right now is something I learned a few years ago. I've done different variations of them, and it's the perfect time to do it. The Super Bowl is tomorrow, and that's the biggest like snack appetizer day of the year. You have your wings. That's the most eaten wings of the day of any day of the year. You have your nachos, you have your dips, but also you have these things right here, the jalapeno. Also, I would call it forgotten glory of the jalapeno and all the wonders this can do. This thing right here, we're going to make some jalapeno poppers with it. I'm going to show you. You might think it's complicated, but it's very easy. There's actually two ways you could do it. You could bake them or you could fry them. I'm going to do the fried version. Nice breaded, gooey cheese. So stick around and let's see how these things come out. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you the ingredients. Here are jalapenos right here. You're going to make sure you have a knife because we're going to be slicing these things in half. Here's some flour. Whenever I use flour, I always season my flour. So just put a bit of salt, peppers, any garlic powder if you want to put in there. You're going to be using cheese. I have this Mexican style 4 cheese. We're going to be using that. You need cream cheese. I have 2 right here. You need an egg because that's going to help keep our breadcrumbs on. And these are the breadcrumbs I'm using right here. Seasoned. And a few seasonings. I have some black pepper, some garlic powder, some cayenne pepper, and this is some oil for frying right here. You want to make sure you also have some bowls. We have 1 bowl here. That's going to be for the breadcrumbs. You have your eggs right here. That's the bowl with the flour. And this is the bowl that the jalapeno poppers that are breaded are going to be placed in before you fry them. So let's get to preparing these jalapeno poppers. Okay, so we prepared about 3 jalapeno poppers so far, and while that was being done, you should have had oil being heated up. So here's the oil being heated up right now. It's ready to be fried. So we're going to place these jalapeno poppers in here. And these doesn't take long to cook. Till they're about golden brown. You don't want them overcooked. You don't want them burnt because breadcrumbs could cook pretty fast. You have this on a medium heat, and we're just gonna continue to fry. Okay, our jalapeno poppers are almost done. And over here I placed a rack with a metal wire. You know, sometimes when I fry food, I just place it on a paper towel. But some things you want to keep the crispiness of, so it's better to place it on a metal rack. So let's go ahead and take these jalapeno poppers out. They've been frying for about 3 minutes. Okay, we finished frying the jalapeno poppers. Now it's time for the most important step to dig in and enjoy. So here is the almighty jalapeno popper. Let's try this thing. It's still really hot. Heat wise, really hot. But it's also hot spice wise. You know, it's a jalapeno popper. Even though you take the seeds out, you know, I like spicy food. So that's why I add cayenne pepper to this. That's really optional. You don't have to do that. You know, I love spiciness, so you just cook according to your taste. That's one thing you don't have to add because this thing will be really spicy. I love spicy. So hopefully you learn how to make jalapeno poppers. Super Bowl's tomorrow. Still have time to go out, get your groceries, and try this meal. It's really quick, it's really easy, and it'll be a hit at your Super Bowl party. This has been another video with King Leo. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you later with another video.